Okay, it's going to be Jay, Kenny, Kim, Dennis, Todd, and Zach. All right. Okay, let's see what we can do, guys. Drivers, marshals, out of tone.
Doesn't make sense to me.
Good start, good start. Okay, that's as they cross. Here we go. Jay 12-9, Kenny 12-9, Steve 12-8, Dennis 12-6, Todd 12-7, and Zach 12-7. No change in the running order. They're trying to keep that lead. Trying to hold Kenny off. Everyone's in the mid-12. 12-7, 12-6, 12-4 to 10, Dennis 12-6, 12-7 Todd, and Zach 12-6. He had a nice lead there. He had about a 0.6, almost a 0.7 second lead right now. Kenny's done Kenny's rear bumper along with everybody else. Oh, he took some, that was Tim who took the bad end of that. So that pushes Dennis in second place. Oh no, I'll take that back. It is now Kenny, Dennis, Jay, Todd, Zach, and Tim. Kenny and Dennis are fighting it out, and Zach is trying to move up through the box, and Ken's trying to catch up at the back. Okay, the pit is open. Oh, Jay takes the good shot. That's a fast shot. That's about 9 seconds to stop. I think it was that right. Kenny's still in the lead. Dennis is trying to take that inside line away. Oh, Dennis. What position? Staying to the pit. Staying stop. Turns over to Dennis. It is now Zach who's sitting over the lead. It's Zach, Todd, Kim, Dennis, and Jay. That is Zach coming into his pit stop. He's good. And then he came out in 6th place as the groupie. Here comes the leader. Ken's now on the lead. Ken, Kenny, Dennis, Todd, Jay, and Zach. That's where they're running. I don't think Ken hasn't stopped there. I think he's going to stay. I think he's going to stay out for a while. I'm just going to try to get that thick delta working for him. Whoops. That's good. Bobby gave Dennis a position in second. This information, that's 12.5. He has about 2.5 second lead over the second place car of Dennis right now. Dennis third and he's second. Coming into the F's. Figure 12.5 and 12.5. Dennis took about 2 seconds off of that last lap. Okay, there's 3:30 left. If you're gonna pick, you're thinking about it. 3:30 left. Yep, you get that. I'll give you the 3-minute mark. Give you the 3-minute mark, and I'll start counting down to the 6-minute close. There we go. Oh, overshot the pit line. That gives Dennis an opportunity to move up on. He's trying to get that lead. Okay, it's 2. Pits are closed. But since you remember the pit line, you can have 1 stop. 2:37. 27 seconds left. Mansfield pit stop. Good one. Woo. 2:24. Pitch is closed. Alright, it's going to be an interesting 2 minutes right now. Dennis is in the lead with Zach right behind. Good 5, good 10, good 10. The run all close like that, they'll see. Good 5. About 2 seconds to cover all. Dennis is holding on to Zach. Let's see great time here. 12-5. And Matthew. The turn is nice and smooth. Bill has about 3/10 of a second lead right now. Let's see if Jack can close it. Dennis can stretch it. 1-2. 1:24 left. Nice going there. Ooh. That closes for 2:10. Tries the outside, doesn't make it. Dennis is holding the inside line. Down the straightaway they go. 12-6, 12-8. Dennis just stretching out this time. We're talking 10 seconds here. Oh, little bobble though by, oh, little body tuck. Oh, they're doing the body tuck. Todd just took over the lead with 46 seconds left. Dennis in second. Dennis is Zach and then Kenny. I wasn't watching Todd just lurking back there. And Todd has about a 2.5 lead over Kim. And then it's Dennis, and then it's Zach, and then it's Kenny. And Jay. 15 seconds. That's it, drivers. Good lap. Guys, you're still right. Everyone's done. Okay, everyone's paid. It's Todd Beardmore. 38 laps. That was a 37.5. 10. 37.3. Dennis 37.6. Zach 37.4. Kenny 37.8 and Jay 37.9.
So Todd, congratulations on the win.
Thank you very much.
And what was your pit strategy in this race?
My pit strategy was I changed my tires to my fast tires.
Okay.
And new motor.
Oh, fantastic.
Where were you?